My previous video sifunde le post le ebibhalwe Siyabonga Dladla lapha ku-Facebook ethi today Advocate Mkhwebane will be sworn into the Mpumalanga legislature. I would like to congratulate the people of Mpumalanga who voted for MKP. Advocate Mkhwebane will ensure that the ANC-led government is held accountable. Shilo kwi-video edlule ukuthi lawa kusengama-rumors asikaqinisekisi konke lokhu ngoba into ekuthiwa izokwenzeka namuhla. Uma ngithi ngingena ku-X eyaziwa nge-Twitter ngizithela phe kwepost kaMzwanele Manyi ubebhale kanje. Greetings leadership at Apostle Deza and Zizipho. Nasi isigaxo. Did the intelligence report not say anything about this major development in the Mpumalanga legislature? Wayesefaka question mark. Ubhala le post uBaba Manyi emveni kokuba u-Apostle Deza lo ozibiza ngo-Dr. Tim Mehwe ebhale kanje izolo ku-Twitter account yakhe. On the 12th of January, we received the Umkhokha intelligence report penned by Honorable Manyi, which recommended the firing Busisiwe Mkhwebane. Today is that day. It is done. Kuphelile. Konke kufeziwe. Once again, we are vindicated. Ubebhale kanjena ke u-Apostle Deza. Phela ke u-Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane ufungisiwe namhlanje lapha kwi-Mpumalanga legislature. Njengoba umbona la ku screen sakho ubefungiswa namhlanje ukuthi useyimember of parliament lapha kwi-Mpumalanga legislature. Ingakho kubaba uMzwanele Manyi ebuza lo mbuzo ukuthi i-intelligence report la abayithola nge-12 zikaJanuary ayizange batshele na ngalezi ndaba ezenzakalayo. Kulula ukuhleba, kulula ukukhuluma ngomuntu ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ukukhulume into kanti ayinjengoba wena ucabanga. Nansi into ebhlungu ngoba according to yena emveni kokuphuma kwale article eNews 24 besethe kuphelile. Manje mase sekunje uthini? Ngizamile ukuyobheka ngathothi akapostanga lutho mayinalo nodaba ngoba phela bengifisa nami ukuza ukuthi uthini ke uma ngabe sekuvela lama developments ethi ngempela lama rumors ebesiwezwa ukuthi uAdvocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane njengoba uNomvalo beshilo ukuthi uhlakaza lama structures kodwa ke uAdvocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane uzofungisa kwi-legislature yaseMpumalanga ukuthi lama rumors bewayiqiniso ngempela uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane ufungisiwe kusuka namhlanje nje useyimember of parliament yalapha yakwi-Mpumalanga legislature. I-intelligence reporter ayizange izikusho nalokho ingakho phela ethi yena nasi isigaxa ngoba phela uma kwenzeka izinto ku-MK ziba isigaxa. Ngiyacela ukuzuphala kwakho ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lolu daba lolu esilixoxayo. Asidlule phambili. uNomvalo ukhipha ama directives. Lo muntu lona ungene lapha kule position angazi noma he's proving a point kodwa nje ukhipha ama directives manje and wenza lento amalungu omkhonto wesizwe phathi abekhala ngayo. Amalungu omkhonto wesizwe phathi bawathi uma sithumela ama emails noma sifaka ama complaint asinakwa njengamalungu omkhonto wesizwe phathi kodwa honorable Nomvalo ubukeka sengathi uyazi attenda zonke lezo zinto angazi kwenziwa yini kodwa vele abantu ke mabeku leadership indlela abalida ngayayifana. Letter iyako provincial chairpersons and provincial secretaries womkhonto wesizwe party kuma provincial detachments isuka ku Comrades Bonelo Nomvalo Secretary General womkhonto wesizwe party uyibhale ngomhla ka-8 ku-April 2026. Isihloko sithi urgent notice regarding preparation for the regional consultative forums. Dear comrades, this communication is directed at both formal provincial, regional and sub-regional structures as well as the general membership of the MK party. The Office of the Secretary General has received numerous complaints about allegations of exclusionary, partisan and/or biased conduct in the preparations for the upcoming regional consultative forum. In particular, it is alleged that there are comrades who are using their positions to either manipulate location of venues or abuse the selection of branch delegates who will participate in the Regional Consultative Forum. The above allegations have been received from the region in the provinces where regional consultative forums are yet to be convened. These are the Eastern Cape, Limpopo, Northwest, Free State, and KwaZulu-Natal provinces. The Secretary General would like to emphatically clarify that regional consultative forums must not be viewed as elective conferences or congresses, but as organizational platforms aimed at finding solutions to problems currently facing our movement. Given the barrage of complaints received thus far, the SG hereby issued the following directives. Venues for the Regional Consultative Forum must be in central location and should not be clandestine. Venues for provincial detachments meeting must be in central location. Branches must be allowed to choose, on agreement, their 10 representatives without the influence or interest of upper structure and leaders. If we find that there are comrades who have violated the above-mentioned directives, harsh consequences, including disciplinary process, will be applied. This consultative process was established to cement the strength of the MKP towards the local government elections and not to exacerbate existing challenges. All comrades are expected to maintain the high level of discipline and avoid factionalism in defense of and in the interest of the building of our mighty and much loved organization. Siyayisayina lapha le ncwadi. Ngiyajabula ke mangibona isignature ngoba ngaya ngathi ngifunda istatement kanje wathi omunye ayi signature ngoba ngiyibona shuthi le ncwadi ifake. Kodwa ke lana uNomvalo uyaveza ukuthi umuntu obalalelayo abantu akabaphethe futhi uzoxazula lento eyakenzeka ngesikhathi uFloyd eqeda kubeka ama-detachments. Wathi ngamemezela nje kwasuka umsindo ko TikTok kuphi kuthiwa no uFloyd uvele wasikhethela abangani bakhe bavele basilethela abantu. Cha, uma kuyiwe endaweni ethize kuzokhethwa labantu laba afuneka abalekelela umkhonto wesizwe manje ukuze kudlule ama-local government elections. Kuzoba yiba abantu bomphakathi abazokhetha abantu. Khumbula phela ukuthi ama-local government elections yiwona suka sondelene nomphakathi kakhulu ngoba abantu abakhethwayo babe ngamakhansela. Umuntu ofuneka aziwe endaweni kwaziwe ngisho reputation yakhe. Ungathatha umuntu abamazi abantu ukuthi lo muntu ubeku ANC ngenza umzekelo noma ubeku IFP waba nezikandali khona wabuya weza ngapha bese nithatha lo muntu loyo. Kodwa afuneka kukhethwa abantu okwaziwayo ukuthi labantu laba bayawumela umphakathi futhi bayazazi izinto zomphakathi. Nomuntu nje inkinga zasekuhlaleni ozaziyo. Yingakho ke kubalekile ngiyazi ukuthi abakafiki kuleso sigaba sokukhetha abantu abazobamela. Kodwa nabantu laba bazoba kuma detachments lawa azobe khona wesikhashana. Akube abantu abanjalo abazokhethana ngokwazana futhi abazokwenza umsebenzi ngokwazana ukuze kuzophela lezi inkinga athi zikhona. Ngiyayithanda ke le ndlela enza ngayo. Sengathi bangafunda nabanye abangamalungu omkhonto wesizwe phathi ukuthi mawunenkinga zama ukuthi emailele uNomvalo noma uzama ukuxhumana noNhlamulo mhlawumbe akuxhumanise neoffice lika Nomvalo ngoba ubukeke umuntu ozi-attendayo wa-attendayo ama-complaint. Akufani nalento ebiyenzeka ekuqaleni ngezwe nje uThabiso lo ikhansela le-MK uthi akana kwamuntu kudala ethumela ama-email makukhona izinto ezingahambi kahle akekho umuntu omnakayo. Lokho nje kuyinkinga kukodwa ngoba kukhombisa ukuthi akukho ukuxhumana okuhle phakathi kwe-National High Command nama-Ground Forces. Kanti ngaphandle kwama-Ground Forces i-National High Command iyize ngempela ngoba ama-Ground Forces wona kwazi ukumobilize abantu. So ilokhu nje bengithi ngokulethele khona ukuthi ama-rumors lawe siwazwile ngosibonelo Nomvalo ayiqiniso. Okwesibili, comrade sibonele Nomvalo khipha ama directives manje ukuthi usezwile ukuthi kunama complaints akhona abantu bakhombisa ukungagculiseki ngoba ngathi kufuna ukwenzeka leya nto leya iyakenzeka ngaphambilini kanti inhloso yabo kuyigwema. Ngikhiphe le video ngeviki eliphelile echaza ubaba uNhleko sengithi uNhlapho Nkosinathi Nhleko echaza ukuthi cha la ade ehambele khona ukuthi nina njengamalungu omphakathi niyazana nina labantu esizobafuna thina masifuna umuntu ozoba usecretary ozoba yini nizokhethana nina ngokwazana bese ninika thina sisimqoke lo muntu loyo kodwa uzobe ekhethwe yini futhi wakuhlukanisa ukuthi lena akuyona elective conference. Siyazi isikhathi elective conference ngishilo ngathi kusekuningi kusafuna kwenziwe kumkhonto wesizwe party kodwa ngaphambi kokuba kwenziwe into eningi ngifuna benze policy conference. Mina nawe sidibana kwivideo elandelayo.